Hello children, how are you all? Today we will learn about multiplication, lesson number 7. Now what is multiplication? Multiplication as repeated addition. Now please count the number of apples in each box. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So, how many boxes are there, children? 1 box, 2 box, 3 box, 4 box. So, over here, we are adding 3 apples 4 times. Right? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So, it will come to 12. So instead of adding the same number again and again, what will we do? We will multiply. And we will write 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Now again, let us consider another example. Consider 4 groups of 4 students each. How many boys are there in all? So, 4 groups and 4 students. 1, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So, the answer is going to be 60. Because in one group there are 4 children. In 2 group, second group also there are 4 children. In third group also there are 4 children, and in fourth group also there are 4 children. Now when you will add 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, it will become 16. So instead of adding the same number again and again, we can multiply. 4 into 4 is 16. So children, it is very important for you all to learn the tables. We all have done in half yearly, right? So you will keep on revising the tables again and again. Children, let us do some exercises so that the concept gets clear. Now, in one group there are 3 bananas, and in another group there are again 3 bananas. So how many bananas are there in all? One thing you can do is you can add 3 plus 3, that is 6. The same number we are adding, so we can do like this also. 3 into 2 means we are multiplying 3 2 times. Adding the number 3 2 times. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Now over here, 3 mangoes and 3 mangoes in the same group. So we can write like this also. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. Or we can do it like this. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. In the same way, you will solve these 2 questions. Now, come to another exercise. Write the multiplication fact for each of the following. One has been done for you. So now over here, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 10. So instead of writing 2 again and again, we can do like this. 2 into how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 5s are 10. You have learned the table of 2, I suppose. In the same way, you will do this. 3 has been written 6 times. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 18. So instead of doing it again and again, you can write over here 3 into 6 is equal to 18. So like this, you will solve the exercise. Okay children, these are simple exercises just to clarify what is the concept of multiplication. Now children, multiplication on number line is not in your class. You will not do it. We are omitting it. So we will just skip this topic. Now you must learn the tables, children, and solve exercise 29. This is related to the tables. Okay. And now let us come to the next topic, that is column wise multiplication of a one digit number by a one digit number. Now over here 7 into 4 is 28. 4 sevens are 28. So 2, 8, 28. Likewise 8 into 2. So you can write 2 8s are 16. So these are few examples, and now you will solve exercise 30 in your book. Now solve the following word problems. We will do word problems in the next assignment. Okay children. First we will just do the multiplication. Now exercise 31 is a column wise multiplication where you have to multiply two digit number by a single digit number. So 34 into 2. So when you are multiplying two digit number with a single digit number, first thing is this, you will multiply the ones column. 2 into 4 is 8. Then you will multiply like this. 2 into 3 is 6. So the answer is 6, 8, 60. Now let us solve one more question. 11 into 4. Now when you will multiply, first thing is you will multiply in the ones column first. Okay. So 4 ones are 4. And now again 4 ones are 4. So 11 into 4 is 44. You have learnt in the table of 11 also. 11 4s are 44. So you will solve the questions children in your book. And now children listen. We are adding one more thing. We will do multiplication till 3 digits. Okay. So I will do in my register. It is not given in the book, but I have included this in your assignment. Okay. So children see here. Column wise multiplication of a 3 digit number with a 1 digit number. So now you will multiply ones digits first, then the second tens digit, and then the hundreds digit. Okay children, let us do it now. 2 zeros are, any number multiplied to 0 is 0. So it will be 0. 2 twos are 4, and now 2 threes are 6. So the answer is 640. 4 twos are 8. Now 2 twos are 4, and again 4 twos are 8. So you just have to keep one thing in mind, that when you are doing multiplication, you will start from ones, then tens, then you will go to hundreds. Okay. 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So children, I have sent you assignment related to this topic. I hope I am clear to you all. In next assignment we will learn about carryover multiplication and some word problems. All the best children. Do solve your assignments nicely. We will be soon checking your copies.